Oh, yes indeed. Thank you, brothers. Thank you, sisters, because you bring out my personality, bring out the best of me. Iced tea, much respect. Coffee is hot. Aunt Michelle, thank you. Deborah, Tanya, appreciate you. Because Iced tea, you gave me new energy. And what is for dinner this afternoon? We're going to have some garlic herb chicken. Thank you all. Appreciate you all. And you know I love you. Sons of Liberty. You know what the way. Bring it out. The best of you. Push it out. Thank you. Iced tea, much respect. No matter the weather, no matter the circumstance. You know we rise above all hate. We throw it up if we don't give a fuck. Be neat. Be your own boss. Because no matter the circumstance, situation, Rivers, Joe, Elias, Deborah, appreciate you. Richard Scotland, Dr. Queen, because yes indeed, here before flow. Good times go wonderful days. How you doing today? River's Choice, garlic herb chicken. It's snowing in the true north original, but the coffee is hot. And I appreciate Iced tea for giving me the newfound energy. And newfound creativity. Open up my beautiful mind. Thank you all. Appreciate it all. Everybody say it out loud. Here to say damn please. Because yes indeed. I'll be that smile face on your big screen TV. Who wants to get that man? Ow! Let the war dogs bark, because I'm having a good time. Thank you all. Love you all. Take care of each other. Rise up. Because I love to cook, and this is what's for dinner. And you know, I say thank you. Reminds me who I am. Thank you, David and Mama. Appreciate my brothers, my sisters, Nicole Briscoe, Kelly Breen, Gretchen Whitmore. Thank you all. Love you all. Appreciate you all. You should bring out the best in me. And now we have a destiny revolution. My future's so bright. I have to wear shades, baby. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you. Pound it. Hug you all. Appreciate you all. Respect you all. Hard working. Much respect. Take care of each other. Rise up.